What is going on, everybody? So, I've been testing out the Lenovo Legion Go for more than 3 weeks. Let's just say the review is still ongoing. And recently, I tested out Marvel Spider Man. And I would say that I was incredibly surprised by how well it performed overall. And there were some things that were a bit of a letdown when I tested them with this game specifically on the Legion Go, opposed to something like the ROG Ally. Now, Marvel Spider Man plays exceptionally well at 1600p with FSR 3.0 turned on and all of the graphic settings turned up high. It remains at around 30 to 40 FPS, and for 1600p on a screen as huge as the 8.8 1600p screen on the Lenovo Legion Go, that's incredibly impressive to look at. This is the best time I have ever had playing Marvel Spider-Man, and that's counting the first Steam Deck and the first ROG Ally. Now, of course, they upgraded the Steam Deck's screen, but they haven't upgraded the ROG Ally X's screen. It's still a 1080p IPS screen just like the original, but with the Legion Go, its huge 8.8-inch 1600p screen lends to the experience something that I haven't felt in a very, very long time. And I'm going to go over that in my overall review. I'm still writing it up. It's about 20 pages so far, and I'm going to try to squash it down as much as possible for you guys. But so far, I am absolutely in love with playing games, specifically on the Legion Go. Now, I did bring my ROG Ally to the train today, and it was a decent experience, but the thing is, no matter what kind of screen protector you have on your ROG Ally, the screen is still not very big. So if there's something like the reflection of the sun coming off of it, it's going to take up most of the screen. We're always going to get some kind of intense glare, even if we have something like I do, which is a reflection proof screen protector. Now, recently I did take off that anti-reflection screen protector because after I played the Legion Go, I just wanted the ROG Ally screen to look better somehow. So I took that $20 screen protector and I threw it away because the Legion Go looks so much better. But playing the Legion Go outdoors while waiting for the train a few days ago managed to be a much more immersive experience, mainly because the screen is so big that even if the sun is reflecting off of it, which I believe it does have anti-glare or anti-reflect, whatever you want to call it, or whatever I want to call it for that matter, it would take up a part of the screen and not the entire thing. So playing the Legion Go outdoors, even with the reflection of the sun, I was able to see most of the game, if not pretty much all of it. And I played Resident Evil 4 Remake on the train, if you have to know. But the main point is that the Legion Go's 8.8-inch screen playing Marvel Spider-Man is just the absolute best. I don't think anything could possibly look better than it. The resolution is just better, the screen is bigger. If it was an OLED screen, that would be insane. But that just sounds like a lot of money, especially for a Lenovo. But hopefully the Lenovo Legion Go 2 will have an OLED screen. I'm really hoping for that. But going back into the performance of Marvel Spider-Man on Steam, on the Legion Go, there was one thing that didn't work quite well. Now, I said that I turned FSR 3 on, and it was set to quality, but when you turn on frame generation, for some reason the game is just super laggy and, in my opinion, not very playable at 1600p anyway. But I managed to get it at a pretty steady FPS without the frame generation option. And also, the Legion Go doesn't have FNAF as an option in its command center like the ROG Ally does. At least I haven't found an option that enables frame generation. But sifting through the settings on the Legion Go is a little more daunting, or just a lot more daunting than going through the command center on the ROG Ally. This isn't a comparison video, I'm just saying from what I played for the last year, comparing that to the Legion Go right now, the Legion Go is definitely the more complicated one in terms of interface. But that's also a very good thing. Even though you can turn the TDP up, I managed to play Spider-Man at a very low TDP of 7 watts at 800p with RSR turned on, and I managed to get the FPS at around 35 to 45, which is pretty dang good. I think the Legion Go plays a lot better at low TDP than the ROG Ally does at this point, but they still are very neck and neck, especially when it comes to a game like Marvel Spider-Man. But so far, it's been an absolutely perfect experience with Marvel Spider-Man on the Legion Go, and I hope to test this game a lot more. I play this game pretty much once or twice a week when I'm waiting for the train, so I'll be testing this game on the Legion Go a lot more to have a full review possibly of this game specifically for the Legion Go. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Legion Go. My review is coming soon, don't worry. I've just been very busy and haven't had as much time as I wanted to test the Legion Go as thoroughly as I want to for this review. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a good one. Later.